Hi friends, welcome to the creative channel. I am Akilan and in this video we are going to watch how to measure network speed. Let us watch the video now. Please share your comment and suggestions. While going outside, please wear a mask, maintain social distance and don't forget to sanitize your hands with a hand wash.
Open your browser and go to google.com. Type speed test. On enter, click run speed test and it will be running. It shows latency, upload speed and download speed. This process will take some time, so I fast forward. Here is our result. This is our download speed, upload speed. Under download speed, it shows latency. Upload speed and the download speed will be measured in Mbps. Latency is measured in milliseconds.
Okay friends, thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. If you want to sponsor us, please contact the email address provided in the about section. Do not hesitate to contact. Sanitizer please.
The life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear I weighed the person you